I do not think you're gonna believe if I tell you this is not egusi soup. This recipe takes me right back to my university days. How delicious it tastes, affordable and easy to put together. I call it egusi substitute. So if you want to know the story behind this soup, how I got to know about it and how to make it, just continue watching and make sure you watch till the end. Now let's get cooking. I'll start by heating up some palm oil. So in a pan or pot, I'll go in with reasonable amount of palm oil. Once it is heated, I go in with my pepper onion mix. I'll pour that in and give it a nice stir and allow to fry for a minute. This is simply roughly blended onions and scotch bonnet. This is after 1 minute. I'll go ahead and introduce the locust bean. We call it iru. I'll pour that in, stir, and continue frying for extra 1 minute. Now, next ingredient to go in is the star of the show, the star ingredient to this recipe, eggs. Guys, we are making use of eggs. This is where I derived that name, egg soup. So guys, we are making egg soup, or you call it egusi substitute. Go ahead and season it with some salt. Give it a thorough whisk and transfer right into the pot. Now go ahead and adjust it using your spoon. Afterwards, cover and allow to cook or fry. You know how you fry your eggs, like scrambled eggs? That's what we are looking at for. Checking back after a minute, I'll go ahead and adjust it again because I want it lumpy, like have big lumps. I will be gentle while stirring. If you want it just like me, like you want same thing, please stir with care. But if you do not want it, feel free, yes, get everything mashed, all right? Checking back, and at this point, the egg is fully formed, exactly what I want, lumpy. All right, at this point, if you don't want it lumpy, you can use your masher and crush it, like mash it down. You know how you want your egusi, the texture? Do same with this one, all right? In here is the protein we'll be using, well-cooked beef shin and some stockfish. I'll pour that in. Another protein we'll be using is fish. This is grilled mackerel fish. I'll debone it and pour it in as well. Quick one, guys. If this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma. You're free to call me IJ or Omar for short. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, snacks, and more. If it sounds interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family. Please, let's continue. I'll go in with the meat stock, give it a gentle stir, cover it up, and allow to simmer for 2 minutes. Look at that. It is coming up so well. This is after 2 minutes. I'll go ahead and season with some ground crayfish and seasoning powder. Let's stir to well combine, cover it up and allow to cook for another 1 minute. Now, let me tell you how I got to know about this recipe. As a student that year, I wasn't financially buoyant enough. Yes, I'm not gonna lie. So I remember going to the market to get egusi because I wanted to make egusi soup. Guys, the price was on a high. In fact, I couldn't get it. So I resorted to making another soup, which is okra soup. Now, the day it happened, I remember I came back from school very hungry and I met my roommate eating. She invited me to join her. I did, and guys, it tasted real good. So I said to her, this egusi soup tastes real good, delicious. And she was like, it's not egusi soup, but egg soup. Since then, I've been making this soup, and we don't get keep here, so I decided to share it with you, my darlings. So tell me, are you gonna try it out? Let me know in the comments. Now, I'll go in with some squeezed bitter leaf just to give it small bitter taste, all right? Afterwards, I'll go ahead and stir, cover it up, let it simmer for a few seconds. At this point, let's introduce the sliced uziza leaves, the one we plucked and washed earlier. I'll go in with it. Afterwards, stir to well combine and allow to simmer for just a minute. And if you have watched up until this extent, you've done well. Thank you so much. Please, you may consider liking it, sharing, and commenting for others to learn as well. Endeavor to subscribe if you are yet to, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upload. Thank you. And there you have it, guys. Our egg soup is ready. Super delicious. Please try it out. I call it Egusi substitute. If you can afford Egusi seed, this is an option for you. If you haven't tested egg soup before, this is an opportunity for you. Just follow the steps and you're good to having it right on your dining table. It is time, my darlings. Let's dish it out together. Now, what are you going to be pairing it with? You can pair it with your eba, any swallow of your choice. Eat it with your rice, your yam, plantain. It goes well with so many things. All right, my darlings, thank you for joining me in creating this amazing recipe. And I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.